Michelle and I'm just here very quickly to do a wee bit of a wig review with you. Now this wig I totally am so in love with. This is Arlo from Estetica Designs and I'm wearing the shade RH12 RT4 and she is just so gorgeous. I love this kind of loose beachy wave that we've got, this kind of shoulder-ish type length, obviously depending on your height. I'm 5'10", so you know where it falls in you can measure your face and see. So let's tell you a wee bit about the lengths actually, just to start off on Arlo. So the front area, the bang type front fringe, is 9.5 inches of length. The sides we have 8 inches. From the crown we've got 10 inches, and from the nape we have 7 inches of length. Now it feels very lightweight. The weight of the wig is 3.7 ounces, so she's really gorgeous. Now we have a gorgeous lace front on her and we have a monofilament left sided parting, so it looks like the hairs are growing out your own head. It is just so beautiful. I'm going to turn around and let you see Arlo. She is really gorgeous, like one of my favourites. I love her. So yeah, this is Arlo. So guys, she's going to be available. Arlo will be available as of middle of December 2024. She'll be available at MIMO wigs, so keep your eyes out for that. She is just a stunning style. If you love that kind of beachy, loose wave, it is just gorgeous. I love that you can wear it and it can just be a kind of casual day to day. You know, you can tie her up, you can pin her up, you can leave parts down, and because you have that kind of loose wavy curl, it just looks like your hair has been kind of deliberately styled, and it can, you know, one of these styles that just goes day to night. It's kind of great for all occasions. She has such a lovely length, so she's not going to be interfering too much with my clothes. This is just really beautiful. She has standard synthetic fibre, so you cannot use any heat on her, but she is just gorgeous and such an amazing creation from Estetica Designs. So thank you Estetica for sending me these styles early so that I could do a bit of a review for you guys. I truly am so happy and I just love her. Arlo is one of my favourites. So guys, I'll be back soon with more wig reviews, but take care, keep sparkling, be beautiful. I'll see you guys all very soon. Bye!